You're like, why are we doing like this? Doesn't even make sense.
If we're not bringing anything, why are we even planning a party?
Yeah.
We have a party with nothing.
Right. The reason I like doing this is because a lot of times our facial gestures, our energy, and even the words we say are communicating no. And if we're brainstorming, if we want to transform shit, we need a lot of yes. So when we get into this brainstorming thing about improvement ideas, we're building on other ideas. If you're saying no, you may not mean it in a bad way, but you're shutting people down. And you're going to get, weak sauce, cups, right? All right, so we're going to do it again. This time, instead of saying no, you're going to say yes, but, right? Same thing, but instead of no, you're saying yes, but. Okay? Ready, go. All right. What are y'all bringing?
Party.
You say everything? Brisket.
Hang on.
Got better.
You guys say. Oh, no. We got brisket, ribs. I don't think.
And other stuff. Got it. Got it.
Ours is working.
How about over here?
Nobody want to speak up? We're going to bring some friends. Barbecue and more friends.
Okay.
Some barbecue.
Some antibiotics.
But they have costumes.
Okay. Costumes. How about y'all?
Hibachi chef,
Oh, nice.
magician, bouncy house,
Okay.
music,
Poker chips.
poker chips.
Okay. Got a party.
Sounds like my 5-year-old can hang out with you guys.
We're bringing horses. We're bringing hay. We got 2 coolers,
Dang.
some beer, whiskey,
And water.
Okay, y'all could be busy. Okay, but are you sure?
I'll make it happen.
Because I heard but.
But we're going to add on to it.
Well, I don't know. You ever work with somebody that says, yeah, but, and what they really mean is bullshit, I ain't listening to you?
It's another way to say no.
You got it, right? It's another way of saying no. It's a snaky way of saying no.
So when are you gonna say, yes, but we can leave and go have a barbecue?
After this round. Yeah. So again, the main point, we already know what no does. It shuts people down. Yes, but, I don't know. That doesn't signal commitment to me. Or it could be minimizing. Yeah, that's cute, but my idea is better. You ever have that? And we're just talking about switching a word. Little tweak, no, but. All right, last round. And now it's yes and.
I think we're just gonna get the same answer.
Okay? Ready, go!
What's it gonna start off?
I'm going to start off.
Yes, and.
Those are great. And on top of that,
Put that out there, bro. Y'all said y'all went for a different party. You know where it's going.
Love you too.
Huh? I think we like these. All right, what are y'all bringing?
I'm bringing beer, okay?
Better party?
A little bit better party this time, yeah?
Yeah, but we're bringing everything this time.
Yes.
And we know everything got invited. How about over here?
yes,
It seems to be more of like building onto each other.
Okay.
Whereas before we were like coming up with our own singular ideas. Now it was like we're adding to each other's.
Okay. So
We're aligned.
Yeah.
There you go, Trace.
how'd y'all do?
So we amplified what we had, baby. No.
Amplification, that's the word. Can you repeat what you just said?
So before, like, we were trying to like trump each other, say like, hey, all right, I'm gonna bring this, and then go way above. This time with the guest stand, we, like, it was, like I said, I'm bringing fajitas. He says, bring the salsa or the tortillas, and then it just kind of kept building off of that.
Yes.
Not going like way over, but just adding a little bit more to the situation.
Yeah. The collaboration, right? Adding to the idea, building a bigger idea, amplifying the idea versus the competitive, I'm going to one up you, right? I think everybody would agree we'd all like to go to the last party more than the other ones. No? What's yours?
Well, let me say it. We're gonna bring some struggling
Okay. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.